Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will see the client management settings and all. So to set up a new client, you need to go to the financial operations client management. Here you can add a client. You can go on adding a client. You can enter the company name. So I will enter a company name as Foxtron. These are all your client companies. You can enter the contact person, industry, email ID you can enter, and then phone number. They have a GST, you can enter GST number, full address you can enter, and you can create a client here. So now the Foxtron Infotech is created. So here in this Foxtron Infotech, if you want to set up the geolocation for this particular client, then you need to go to here. Here we have something known as sites. You can add a site here. If they have multiple sites, you can go on adding the multiple sites. It is based on the geolocation. Should know their latitude and longitude of the client. So you need to select that client here. You can enter the address here manually. You can add the site name here. That is, if it is a main office, a branch office, something like that, you can enter here. And address also you can enter. City, state, pin code. So latitude and longitude you can enter here. So if you select this, it will automatically use your current location, your present location it will use. Otherwise, if you know the location, you can enter here. It is taken the current location. So in that client company contact person, you can enter his phone number, his email ID, whether this client is active or inactive, you can enter and create a site here. So now the main office for this client Foxtron Infotech is created. So like this, you can go on adding the multiple clients also. So next we have a client requirements. So here, if they have any openings and all, you can add the client openings here. You can go to edit. I will go to this Inchi Solutions. I will say edit. Already we have created one requirement. You can create multiple requirements also. I will create another requirement. I will say it is for software engineer. So how much candidates you want, you can enter here. Suppose for example 10 people you want, you can enter to the department. You can select the level also. Priority also you can set up. So deadline is optional. You can within this date you want the employees and all. You can set the deadline also. You can update the client here. So once you update the client requirements, it will be displayed in the front end. So you can see the front end job listing here. You can go to GHRMS homepage. Here we have something known as job marketplace. Click here. So it has displayed this software engineer position. So candidates can apply online through this link here. So you can apply online. So to apply online, they need to create a account here. So I will create a new account. So if I am an applicant, I want a job, I will create my this thing here. I will say sign up. So now I have created the account. I will log in from here. So now I have logged in. If I go to job marketplace here, I will see the same listing here. If I want to apply, I can say apply here. So my details will be displayed here. I can enter my phone number, my email ID, my experience level I can enter, skill level I can enter, location preparation also preferred also I can enter, like this. My skills I can enter, my current salary I will enter, expected salary I will enter, the notice period I will enter here, my previous company details I will enter, my role at the previous company. I can I'll if I have the resume I can upload the resume here. Any additional notes I can enter. Then I'll submit the application. So now I have applied for this job. So once the person applies for the job, it will come in the back end as a lead. Here I have created, I have applied for the job. It has already come here. It will be displayed here as a lead here. So here skills and experience, source from where, job portal. Then when it is created, see here this icon, if I click here, it will show the resume also. This is the resume. So from this here lead management, you can take further this applicant to the next levels. So this is all about the lead management, this yeah, employee things and all. So here we have learned about the client management, client requirements, how to display the client requirements in the front end, and how a person can apply for that particular job, and then how it will come to the back end as a lead. These things we have learned in this video.